Create amazing volume and then pull it back into a textured full ponytail. Use your rotating hot air styler for a voluminous style. Take a section 5 cm from the part down to the ear and clip away. Repeat on the other side. Take a halo section behind the first section and clip away. Clip the base section away. Release the halo section and split into 3. Backcomb the middle section and create cushioning. Smooth the top, then pin. Repeat on the next section. Release the base section from the clip. Take the top section and side pieces from the halo, lightly backcomb, then smooth over the cushioning. Sweep the bottom pieces into the back, smooth in a ponytail and secure with a hair tie. Release the clips at the front and brush backwards to the ponytail. Wrap the ends around the hair tie and pin. Repeat on the other side and pin. Use 2 hairbands and wrap around the ponytail to secure and create more volume. Use your fingers to gently create more volume, and that's how you create a textured ponytail with volume.